Hey guys, this is Michael, and I want to walk you guys through a CRM dashboard that I built for a construction company. And I'm just going to show you guys the features of this dashboard and how you can build something similar for your business as well. So this is a company that tracks everything from the date that the job was opened to the salespersons, the lead names. This is all fake names, by the way. And they have a lead source, and then they want to track, if they made an appointment, if it was converted to a sale, the job type, the deposit amount, and all these different things that you might track for a certain job for all of your clients. So everything is inputted here. So every time they get a new job, they basically just go down and fill it into the next available row. So they just click on this and they select a date, they select a drop down menu, and they select a salesperson. They type in the client's names, and then they just fill in all his information, and then this dashboard is automatically going to update based on that sheet, right? So now they just have to do everything on one sheet, and they can track all of their information by month and by salesperson in a really organized way. So let me show you this dashboard and what it has. So in the top here, you can select the year and the month of the data that you want to see. So these guys wanted to see all of their sales only from a certain month, so that's how I built it. But you can also kind of do year to date and just see all the data over the entire year. So if they select that, they can quickly see, their total sales from year to date. They can see their commissions. They can see the amount of leads, the appointments, the jobs, how many went from leads to appointments, and how many went from appointments to jobs. And it has all of this nice visualization here. This is a monthly breakdown section so that they can see month to month what is going on with their sales, their leads, and their jobs and their appointments. Those were the most important metrics for him to capture. And here you can I can change it to see average sales or total sales over those 12 months. Here they wanted to see the job type. So you notice over here we kept a column for the job type. And then this is going to display on this graph over here. And then they wanted to see their sales by certain towns, and they wanted to see their sales by lead source, which is important for a lot of people. So they got most of their leads through Lowe's, for example. And they wanted to check a bunch of different things, but basically I've built many dashboards like this where it's a lead management system. And then there's a couple other dashboards as well. A lot of clients want to track their goals. So they want to track, so I put a tab for targets, and they can basically just type in their targets for each salesperson each month, and then it's going to show over here whether or not they've hit their goals or not. So I included this little bar chart to see whether they hit their goals or not. So you can change the salespersons, and it's going to update based on who you select. Right, these guys don't have goals set in. And then here we have a year over year chart. So this client happened to have data from many years ago, so that we're able to put it all in and basically see for each month of the past 3 years what their sales have been. And you can see here that the green means that it's the highest for that year. So they do really well during the summer months, and they can see that they have a very slow January, February, March, and December. So this is a really good way to kind of just visualize all of your data without needing to go in and calculate everything. You do everything basically based on this sheet over here, and then everything else is going to update. So it's a really great way to keep your business organized and keep all your leads organized without having to use software. So yeah, so I want to show you guys this. Let me know if you want something built that's similar to this, and we can contact each other and then set up a call. Thanks.